She walks with hope and pride, with courage by her side. Through storm she stands so tall, she never fears to fall. Her dreams shine like the sun, her journey has begun. No wall can block her way, she grows stronger every day, every day. This is her voice, standing strong, she make her choice. She will rise, she will be free, showing the world who she can be. This is strength, this is her light, shining brave, shining bright. Now the world will finally see the power of her destiny. A voice that won't be quiet, a flame that keeps the fire through every doubt and fear. Her future shining clear, no fear, no turning back. Her future's on the right track. Together, women stand so tall, with strength enough to change it all. This is her voice, standing proud in every choice. She will rise for all to see. This is strength, this is her light, shining brave and shining bright. Now the world will finally see the power of her destiny. The world will finally see the power of her destiny.